Do you want to stop spam followers on Instagram? You can filter spam and fake followers on your Instagram account with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to stop spam followers on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Stopping spam followers on Instagram is to prevent fake or unwanted accounts from following you. To stop spam followers on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the top right of your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal line menu. A new screen will appear with various settings. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section. Under this, find and tap on Follow and Invite Friends. Under the Followers section, you will see Flag for Review. Now, tap on the toggle switch next to Flag for Review to enable the spam followers filter on your account. Once you have enabled this toggle button, Instagram will automatically detect spam and fake followers, and you will need to review them before they are added to your followers list.